All right, we are going on the Hiawatha Trail.
Yes.
2 bikes on top, 1 inside, and we're gonna head off right now. Okay, we have arrived. Our bicycles are here, and we are gonna set off right now. And there's our crazy car that brought us here somehow.
Oh yeah, it was a blast.
A lot of smoke in the air. And this is about a 30-mile ride, 15 miles uphill and then 15 miles back down the hill. Through a couple tunnels, trestles, and
Uphill.
yeah, it's not a big hill.
It was like 2%.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, and we're off.
We're off.
Okay, we need to get a camera shot from up there, so Vlad's gonna go up there. All right, cue camera shot.
Yeah. Woo. Here we go, boys. Nice. Whoop, whoop. Oh yeah? Here we go. This is so cool.
Largest trestle coming up, 220 feet and 760 foot long.
We have arrived at the tallest trestle. Check it out. That is incredible. Wow, it's amazing. It looks like you're like in an airplane from the top. Nice. There we are. Look how far down that is. It's ridiculous. Like there's a big river. You can see the tops of trees. Look at that view. It's gorgeous. Mountains like appear out of the mist. Mark comes bearing gifts of high mineral content.
That's dense, man.
3, 2, 1, 0. Woo! Woo! Nice.
7-8 seconds.
Woo. That's a long ways down.
Vlad can't handle the air here.
It's too clean. I have to dirty it up. This is the caved-in tunnel here. No entry allowed. It's all about to cave in and then. That's pretty cool. Look at those stalactite-looking things forming up there. It's got to be at least like 3 million years old. I mean, look at those. Alright, this trestle is 230 feet. Check it out. Wow, that's a ways. There's a trail down there. Look at that mountain in the middle. That's funny. Who's on this side? Mark. There's a stream down there. Wow. Alright, we're halfway through. 7 miles.
No,
halfway there.
We're 8 miles in.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna go up and then we're gonna go back down. So we're 1/4 of the way done. Nice. So far, so good. Look at all those flowers. Wow. Nice. This is fun. Oh, the breeze. You feel the breeze from the tunnel coming out? Oh, yeah. Yeah. 1.6 miles of this tunnel. Gonna get some water right there. And into the tunnel we go. So we're getting water in the waterfall.
Got some? Nice.
Open it up.
Good enough.
Okay, this tunnel is 8,700 feet, which is 1.6 miles. The St. Paul Pass tunnel.
Man, it is cold in this tunnel. Like properly cold, and it's wet. But it's nice.
Vlad's got a gas mask just in case. Just in case of a nuclear attack or something? What's that about?
Here we are inside. Look at this stuff on the ceiling. Stalactites. Look at this steam.
So we're in the long tunnel.
Mark.
Okay, this is super echoey in here. It's like the beautiful cathedral singing you can do in here. And we're gonna sing for these people coming through this tunnel. And it is about God opening up the heavens before us. But obviously, there's not heavens up there right now,
Well,
but
there are there,
it'll
but
be
you
okay.
can't see 'em.
They're above the mountain. So you gotta imagine sometimes that they're there when you can't even see them. Okay, here we go. Мой Господь надо мной распростер небеса, чтобы видел я в них необъятность Творца, чтобы помнил, что Божья любовь без конца, чтобы славил Его всеблагого Отца.
All right, we made it out at the end. Oh man, it was freezing in there. Mark's over there cheering. Man, it's time to warm up and eat some snacks. And we gotta go back. Gotta go back to the freezer.
Freezer indeed.
Lunch break. Subway. Used to be there. Mark is eating dried bark. Because that's what he lives on. Luxury, gourmet meal today.
Luxurious.
Anyway, we're gonna head back from here. All right, we've eaten our lunch and we're heading back on the trail. You guys ready?
Yes, we are.
Let's do this. All right, we are back on the trail and heading back into the tunnel. The victims. I know I have one too, but it looks bad. All right, we are out of the tunnel. We are punching it back. Our target time is 45 minutes for 15 miles. I think it's doable. Eugene's tucking in. Let's do it! Here's a little nice viewpoint.
The Blue Mountains.
Yeah.
Even though these are not technically the Blue Mountains, but they look blue.
Yep.
Because of all the smoke from British Columbia. Thank you, eh?
It sounds about right. A boot. Would you like some pasta? Mark has chosen this location to devour his sandwich. Relate to me the glories of your sandwich and its magnificent taste. I'm trying. Okay, we've got another big rock. This one's bigger.
Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna try to drop it in so it drops in flat. May this rest in pieces. In 3,
So it shall.
2, 1.
Oh man, that is loud.
Wow.
Wow. Alright, we're finishing up the final few miles of the 30 total. Almost there. Keeping up a good pace, probably like 20 miles an hour. It's good. Yeah, it's tiring, but it's fun. And keep on pedaling. And we've made it! 30 miles exactly. Nice. Woo, that was a good ride. How are you feeling? Immediate reaction. What is this throng of people? There they are. All right. That is it.
Go on. Yeah.
Yep. Well, guys, thanks for coming along for that awesome ride. Whoa. Get it together, bro. Also, I need that car. That thing is legit.
Is there a stream around here?
Probably. Anyway, guys, that is the end of our trip. Thanks so much for coming along with us. We had a great blast. A great time, and a blast.
Yeah, you blasted at the end there.
I did wipe out at the end, but we're fine. But anyways, as always, have a great day. Don't forget to praise God, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.